I'm sorry if the video's a little spoopy, but I have to blur out every curse word. I tried my best to blur out every single one of them, okay? And YouTube better not mean yeah.
Yeah, so I'll be blurring out most curse words in the video, so you won't be hearing any noise when a curse word shows up, okay? So that means, yeah, I guess. Subscribe to me!
Hey, what's up guys? This is YVR here, and today we are playing some Fun Monkey Horror. And I'm joined with this green monkey here. Yeah. Say hi, green monkey.
Hi, green monkey.
What the fuck?
What? Where's the...
Oh,
Wait,
gosh.
is it even a monster?
Yeah, there is.
I don't know, I'm scared.
So
The
they brought
hallways
back
are so
two
big.
maps. So they brought back two maps. Like Fun Monkey Horror brought back two maps.
The weird maze. Guess what? The weird maze. One time I joined it, I couldn't. I couldn't turn off my Oculus. Like it was like someone was hacking it.
Oh.
So he's flying. He's hacking. Literally, get him out of here. So am I. Oh, what do you mean? I'm using the mods.
So yeah, this
just
is
joking.
the maze map.
Pew,
Well,
pew.
the weird maze map, and the dream map.
Pew pew. No.
So this is the dream map, and the other
Pew,
map
pew.
is Mr.
Run.
The new maze map. Yeah, there's a new maze map. You guys should check it out. And they brought back Grandpa, which I love this dude. He has lots of fun
Grandpa.
time. Yeah, Grandpa.
What?
The SCP-096.
Wait, they did? Where?
Yeah, they-
Where?
I don't know. I haven't seen where he is.
Wait, is the SCP-096
Bing, bing, bing.
map? Bing, bing,
Yeah,
bing.
he's back. He
Yeah,
used to be
I
in
just
the
heard him.
88 map, the 188 map. Whoa, and there's a giant hole. Will this kick
Wait,
you?
what
Will
happens
this
if we
hole
go-
kick you?
I'm not sure.
Let's
I
check
mean,
it out.
I'll go test it if you don't see me again.
Never mind, it doesn't kick you. All it does is
Oh,
just
look,
bring
I
you
can
down
just ride
to the
top.
circles.
I can just like go everywhere, bro. Look at this.
Oh God, there he is! We all love him. There he is.
Man,
Where
you're
is
dead.
he? How you get up there?
It looks like he's up there.
Yeah, he's up here. One. I can't run up there, sadly. So I'm gonna have to leave it. All right, we're back. I had to
Guys,
leave and
I bought the
rejoin
mod
and-
menu and it wouldn't show up. I bought the
Dude,
mod menu and
I'm
it
in the
wouldn't
middle
show
of
up.
the video.
Hey guys, let's go to the third floor.
You're the monster.
Okay.
Let's go to SCP-096, aka Grandpa.
AKA
Shut
my
up,
sister.
man.
AKA my sister when I take her toy.
We're back.
Guys,
You're
stay
not
right here.
funny,
Just go
man.
down to the second floor. Move it.
You're literally not even funny, man. Like, stop. Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God, go down.
Also,
go down,
careful.
Go down. Go.
Careful
go,
about your
go,
surroundings. There's a giant pit in the floor.
Yeah, there's a giant pit. I
that-
fell in and I had to leave and rejoin.
Oh yeah, I remember you.
No! I told you watch your surroundings.
Get back up.
You need mods to get back up.
The girl's like, bro. No,
Yeah,
you
me
just
too.
need a wall run.
I don't know how to
I can
run.
wall run. Only people that are bad at the game use mods, but I'm bad, and I don't.
Guys, I
Where's
have to go in. I use my
SCP-096?
wall running skills to get out.
Wait a minute. Hey guys, I think I found the third floor.
Let's go down.
Yo, game
Wait.
power.
No,
Where's
jeez.
Grandpa? Grandpa, where are you?
Grandpa!
Grandpa, let me walk
Grandpa!
you the hallway. Come on. Guys, I left me. Grandpa!
heard
What is
Grandpa,
that?
open the door!
What is that?
Open the door.
What is
I'm
that?
at the hole.
Guys,
Where is everyone? What?
Guys.
Where are you?
there's something white running at me. What do I do? And
Oh God,
yeah,
the grandpa's
run.
up there.
I'm stuck.
Why?
We have to get back up. Get back up.
He looks friendly. He looks friendly though.
Trust me, he's not
Grandpa.
friendly when you.
Where's Grandpa?
Where'd you go?
Where is he?
We're in the second
Where's
floor.
Grandpa? He's
Over
up
here.
Grandpa, where are you, Grandpa?
You guys have to see my wall running skills. Ready? What's this?
Hey! Ah!
Is he in the pit?
Yeah, I'm in the pit. I can wall run though. I'm wall running.
talking about SCP-079.
No, he's not. He's not.
Okay.
Where's White
No,
at?
because I think Grandpa's upstairs again. I hear him. Yep, Grandpa's upstairs, Grandpa. We told you.
Go!
Not again, bro. Grandpa. Guys, make sure not to accidentally jump down there. If you do, then you're stuck. No,
You can wall run back up like Black just. Grandpa!
Grandpa's literally after us.
He's down here. He is down here.
He is?
Is he? I hear him down there. Dude, I died, but it just... Wait, I died, but it didn't send me back.
What are you
Dang
doing?
it, I wish it sent me back. It's so hard to get back.
Where's Grandpa? I heard
Wall
him.
run. Yeah, I know, but it's kind of hard to do whenever I don't have...
Wait. Is that your...
It's kind of hard to
Oh, you
wall
have
run in a
nothing in
circle,
your
you know?
hand.
It's not hard to run in a circle.
Where's Grandpa?
It's for me. Oh my gosh, I hear him.
Where is he? I think he's in the very bottom.
Why me?
Bruh. Broad's upstairs. He's upstairs.
Go down?
Bruh.
Go down. Okay. What? I'm gonna go outside. Probably.
Bruh. Oh, you kidding me? Oh, he's on the roof. Oh, he glitched outside. Oh, next map. All right, we're in the next map. Where's Mr. Fredbear at?
Oh my God.
Where's Fred the Bear?
We would have a better chance of him. We would have a better chance of him being here than over.
Yo, what the heck is this?
No, guys, he's not in this. We're going in circles. He's in this grass.
He's at spawn, he's fucking
gay.
No, he's over here.
Dude, this is not just
Green area. Green area.
You want the...
Where do we go now?
Guys.
Oi!
Guys.
Dude,
I'm leaving
what
you.
the fuck?
No, you're leaving me.
I think he went this way.
Dude, we're always going in
He didn't go in
circles.
any of the vents here. I don't know. Then he probably took a turn to go down. Guys, no, over here. Over here.
Dude, what is this?
Find out.
What is this?
Yeah. Bro, what is this? What is down there?
Bro, what the
He
heck?
went down here, stupid people. What's down there? Shut the fuck.
Look, guys.
Hey! No. You saw that. No. You saying that curse words around here?
Guys,
There's no bullet coming out.
That's how.
Kung Fu fighting.
I think he's outside the map.
Whatever this
Well, I
is.
mean, he could be outside the map.
Bruh.
Because sometimes he just spawns on
Bruh.
the map. Is he
Wait,
at
where are you
spawn?
guys?
Right here.
I swear. I'm outside.
Is he at spawn?
Bruh. I swear, if he's
Be
switched
so
on this, of
I'll
the,
be
Where are you so
This
close?
Nah. I'm getting out.